each one of us is equipped with the ability to think, known as reason, and the ability to feel, known as emotion. Within the mind of each of us, these two wage a ceaseless battle for mastery. Of course, in the undeveloped mind of a child, there is only emotion. Let's go inside Junior's head and watch emotion at work. Aha, here he is. He's got the whole place to himself. He can do as he pleases, because reason isn't born yet. Meanwhile, emotion is complete dictator in his control over the child.
Go on, pull the kitty's tail.
Emotion loves adventure and excitement. So he says,
let's go down there. Don't be scared, it'll be fun.
So Junior starts down. Emotionally upset.
Who are you?
I'm wheezing, and I've been here sooner. This would never have happened.
Oh, yeah? Well, just remember, I'm the boss around here.
Time will tell.
Well, the battle for mastery is on. And so Junior grows up into an average, normal male. Time has brought about many changes inside his head since childhood. Reason seems to be in the driver's seat, with emotion under control in the rear.
Oh, I hate being tied down all the time. Let's hit the high spots.
Now, just control yourself. When I'm driving, there will be no nonsense.
Oh, gee whiz, I want to live dangerously. Woo! Look at that. A classy dish, huh?
Well, she's not bad.
Hey, slow up. Let's get acquainted with this number. We'll just go up and I'll say to her.
Now, we must maintain proper respect for womanhood.
Oh, they like the rough stuff. You're not going to pass that up.
We certainly are. Now, sit down and behave yourself.
Could I go for that? Why not? Here, let me handle this. We're going places. Woo! Hi, babe. Going my way?
And that's what you get for not listening to reason. It served him right, young lady. Oh, by the way, may we borrow your pretty head for a moment? Thank you.
You shouldn't have slapped him. He was cute. Do you want to be an old maid?
Please, remember, we're a lady.
Oh, a lady. I'm tired of sitting around being a lady. Let's have some fun. I know. Let's eat. I'm starving.
Well, I'm not really hungry, but we might have something light, like tea and toast.
I want a club sandwich and a giant double milkshake.
Oh,
and...
gracious, no. Think of our figure.
You heard me. A club sandwich with potato salad.
But I insist. Tea and
a
toast.
four-decker club sandwich with cheese and ham and tuna and chicken and mayonnaise. No. Make that chocolate ice cream with whipped cream on top of the cherry.
Remember, we're on a diet, please.
And for dessert, I'll have chocolate layer cake with fudge icing.
Oh, dear, we shouldn't go.
Oh, and the mammoth hot fudge sundae. Oh, it's luscious.
Oh, dear, my wrist.
Chocolate with whipped cream and nuts and cherries on top.
Oh, stop it.
Oh, dear, look what you've done.
And here again you have the evidence that uncontrolled emotion can cause you a lot of trouble. Now, in these strenuous times, it is more important than ever that we control this conflict between reason and emotion. Let's take the case of Mr. John Dokes, who tries to keep up with current events.
Tonight, the news is very grim. Looks bad, folks. We're going to lose this war if we're not very careful.
Hey, you know what I just heard? I heard the subs are sinking all our boats.
I heard on the radio the other night. I got some inside job because I got a 40 years old.
My son told me that the major told him, pretty Polly, pretty Polly, pretty
The enemy
Polly.
is landing with heavy tanks and guns, and I'm afraid they're going to move right in.
A friend of mine was at Pearl Harbor, and he said, extra, extra, read all about
They're taking all our food and sending it to Europe while we starve to death, starve to death, starve to death, starve to
You
death.
can't go to work without tires and gasoline.
He's got the right dough. Don't believe everything you hear.
We're losing. He said so.
Don't be stampeded by hearsay.
I'll believe anything I
We
want
must
to.
use judgment and guard against...
Oh, we're in a
That's
mess.
right,
We haven't
emotion.
got a
Go
chance.
ahead.
Control yourself.
Put reason out of the way. That's great. Fine. For Hitler, that master rabble-rouser destroys reason by preying upon the weakness of emotion with fear, sympathy, pride, and hate, just as he did in the minds of the German people. Behold, the Nazi Superman. Let's see how Hitler controlled him through fear.
Take him away from the Führer, from the Gestapo.
Fear of the concentration camp. Fear of the Gestapo.
The Führer will...
Oh, I'm scared.
Don't listen to that madman.
Was wollen wir haben für den Führer?
Now, through sympathy, by crying, I only want peace, but they forced me into war.
Don't cry. He is a big liar.
Don't call my Führer a liar. The whole world is against our peace-loving Führer.
Germany, aber alles.
Now, it's pride. Pride in phony racial theories about Aryan superiority.
It's all childish nonsense.
Shut up. Here's a genius and a great leader. Heil Hitler. Come on, Heil Hitler.
Heil Hitler.
Ja, hassen England. Pfui auf dein
Hate.
England.
Hate for the free, democratic way of life.
This is madness.
Down with the democracies. Sig Heil. Sig Heil. Sig Heil.
Yes, it's madness. Reason has been enslaved, while emotion is the master. A mad emotion, stripped of all reason, leaving nothing but ruin in its wake. So you see, fellows, for us, there is but one answer. You, reason, your job is to think, to plan, to discriminate. And you, emotion, to be a fine, strong emotion. An emotion that loves his country, his freedom, his life. And together, you must be grimly determined to fight against all odds. With reason firmly in the driver's seat, handling the controls along the difficult course to victory, and with emotion by his side, we will go on and do the job we've set out to do. And we'll do it right.